Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean Mathis here, CEO and founder of Surefire Digital Media and creator of the Lead Engine program. I'm super excited to have you here today, and I'll take just a couple of minutes of your time. I wanted to help you understand what this project is all about. Guys, we spent over 8 months and $100,000 developing the most comprehensive lead generation system, I believe, on the planet today. Now, over the last 7 years since I got into this industry, I've seen this explosion of social media experts, and you see everybody and their brother when you turn around selling a new Facebook course or program or funnel this, funnel that, mastermind this or that. And what ends up happening 9 times out of 10 is you join these programs and they lack any substance. It's a lot of theory, there's a lot of basic information, and there's no exact formula. There's no do this and see this result. They don't give you the exact funnels, the exact ad copy, the exact targeting. They tell you basically how everything works, and then it's up to you to take all those pieces of the puzzle. They give you the puzzle pieces, I'll give them that, but then they leave it up to you to put those together. And they don't tell you that by doing that, they're giving you an enormous amount of work and a lot of wasted time, versus if they would just give you the funnels. And what I've seen over the years is people like yourself, they don't want to learn the theories, they just want the answers. They just want to know, what buttons do I push to see X result, right? And that's what we've done with the Lead Engine. We cut out all of the fluff, we cut out all of the theory, all of the understanding of how the proverbial clock works. We just tell you what time it is. We've got over 50 different funnels in a wide range of industries, everything from insurance, automotive, we've got credit repair, we've got mortgage, we've got life insurance, health insurance, we've got construction, we've got real estate for buyers and sellers. There's just dozens and dozens of industries that are represented, and we give you the exact ad copy, we give you the exact targeting, we give you the exact funnels and landing pages that were used. We even show you how to split test these. We give you the HD videos that are already produced and ready for download for you to use in the funnels. We show you which ones are going to produce the best results. We compare the results of the videos and the photos. There's different campaign objectives. We tell you which ones to select for each industry type, and we show you the conversion numbers that you should expect out of those. We give you the daily ad budget to use. We cut out all of the guesswork. Not only do we give you the piece of the puzzle, but we put them together for you, and we show you exactly how to replicate the results that you're going to find inside this program. Now, the really exciting part about this is that when I first launched this program, it's something that we custom built to really enhance a membership that my buddy Andy Smalls created called Marketing Boost. All right, for less than $50 a month, you can have access to this Marketing Boost platform, and it's really the driving force behind everything that we're doing inside the Lead Engine. So what I did was I saw an incredible product over here, and I said, you know what, I want to take my expertise and show my team how to maximize this membership, really put the pieces together for that. And as to combat the rising cost of Facebook ads, the rising cost per click, the rising cost per impression, you have to find a way to gain an edge over your competitors. And that's what Andy did over at Marketing Boost. So it's a phenomenal program. And when I first launched this, I originally charged $597 for this program, and I gave the first 50 people $300 off coupon. So we did the initial round at $297, and we sold that out in about 3 days. That entire group has gone through with 100% success. Now, what's ended up happening, obviously, in 2020 is we've seen some economic shifts happen, right? We're in a different economic climate today than we were, say, 6 months ago. And that's why I decided to change this offer to let you have this program absolutely free. Lifetime membership, 100% free. You don't have to pay me anything. I'm only going to let 150 business owners join at that level, free. All you have to do is activate your Marketing Boost membership. You can try that free for 7 days, and if you decide that you like it and you want to continue, then all you have to do is activate your membership here, 100% free. So we're going to give you a peek inside and let you see what's going on, help you understand. If you watch the video down below, you'll see exactly what we're talking about and why this is such a powerful strategy. The best thing about this is that this cannot be duplicated. The campaigns that we put in here were custom built for and to enhance the membership with Marketing Boost. So it's something that you cannot get anywhere else. It's something that your competitors can't reverse engineer, because we tested them, we built them, they're 100% authentic, and there's only one way to use them, and that's in this program right here. So I want you to get with the person who invited you here, whether you saw it on Facebook, drop them a message and say, hey, you know what, I want to activate my 7-day free trial and see if this is a good fit for me. Once you get inside, you'll see the enormous resource base. You'll see the instant access to our campaigns. You'll see exactly how these things work, but you're going to be able to generate leads that are custom built, exclusively targeted to your industry, following our precision step-by-step process. And you're going to see the highest conversion rates, the lowest acquisition cost, the lowest cost per lead that you've seen of any campaign that you've tried before. I know because I've generated tens of thousands of leads this year alone, and I can tell you that our best performers are the ones right here out of this program. So get with the person that invited you to this presentation and tell them you want to try it free for 7 days and see if this is a good fit. Once you decide that this is a good fit for you, all you have to do is activate your membership and you get 100% access to me and my program absolutely free.